One of the biggest things about cold calling that most companies don't do is really listening to calls and training and making adjustments. A lot of times, like, hey, go make cold calls. Well, if their script isn't working or their lists are off or you're not listening to what's going on with the offer, rebuttals, are they conversational? Do they sound boring? All of these things go into it. So if you're a sales leader, CEO, and you're just asking your team to go make more calls, it's kind of a waste of time unless you're willing to sit down and listen to those, listen to the recordings, uh, sit there with them, make cold calls alongside them, train your team to do these things. There's so many things that go into training, but it's really rare that you have someone that's like, hey, go jump on the phones, and all of a sudden they just start booking meetings, right? Like you have to train your team, you have to practice with your team, you have to role play with your team. It's absolutely critical. And all of these components help you get from a 3% conversion to every conversation up to the 10%. And so it doubles your output. So the training of the team, the training of how to use the technology, the making sure everything is out of their way so that when they're cold calling, they're getting the most out of their time and then they see good results will ensure that they just keep doing it a lot more.